This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Full-Size Helmet Specialty Edition. One box eBay break. July 26, 2022. Yep, that's it, Bart. You got it. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We've got Ranjo7481 with the Cardinals and Rams. Boom 5051120 with the Bears, Dolphins, 49ers, and Jaguars. Davey Bog _3 with the Patriots, Saints, Seahawks, Redskins, Chargers, and Vikings. MATTRONDAI2 with the Buccaneers. Travmaster with the Eagles, Bills, Broncos, Packers, Chiefs, and Steelers. EGBU-49 with the Panthers and Colts. WARREGIPSO _0 with the Jets. Joe Carve-1 with the Giants. NJ Sports Card Collective with the Raiders. Beautiful _NW with the Texans. Pine Tree Sports Collectibles LLC with the Lions. STEVCA with the Cowboys. Indy _9839 with the Browns. Sean Shankster 34 with the Bengals. Dakota Breakers with the Ravens. And we've got JOH Rick Johns with the Falcons. That is your full lineup. Oh, wow. All right, guys, here's our box here. 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Full-Size Helmet Specialty Edition. Love these autograph full-size specialty helmets. Okay, let's get our box open. All right, guys. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Your autograph full-size specialty edition helmet coming at your front and center. Here we go. We've got a Lunar Eclipse alternate. So you got that beautiful white matte finish. I'll go ahead and take the helmet out of the box. And the Colts. Beautiful. Very beautiful looking helmet. There's your auto right there. Lunar Eclipse Alternates. Got that white matte finish. That is Quiddy Pay. Beautiful Quiddy Pay. Autograph full-size helmet. Specialty. The Colts. Colts owned by EGBU-49. Congrats. Beautiful Quiddy Pay. Lunar Eclipse Alternate. There's your auto again right there. Beautiful. Beautiful looking helmet there for the Colts. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Once again, we got a beautiful lineup scheduled tomorrow night and all week long. Please don't miss out on those. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions as well, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Please, be smart. Be safe out there.